Today's hashtag Ask Connie episode, I will be answering the following question. What are the working hours of a virtual assistant? Do I have to go online on a fixed schedule, or it can be flexible? Hi there, this is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. In this channel, I'm sharing with you everything about the virtual assistant industry, some tips and training to help you get started. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell as well to make sure you get notified. Today's question has to do with the working hours of a virtual assistant. This is actually normal to ask, especially if we're just starting. My answer is this. Your time will always depend on you, on your decision. Here's the truth. There are two types of online work when it comes to working hours. One, there are opportunities online that require you to work on a fixed schedule. Most probably, these are in the customer service area and some businesses or companies that provide real-time services. There are also clients who prefer to have a real-time conversation with their virtual assistants, so they require them to work on a fixed schedule. Number two, there are some businesses and clients who are focused more on the results or the output that the virtual assistant can deliver. So they do not care what time you work or even how you accomplish your work as long as you give them the results that they need and they are expecting. If you're providing a certain number of articles or produce a certain number of videos or social media posts per week and anything similar to that extent, and then most probably clients won't require you to go work on a fixed schedule. Based on this information, you can decide which will you choose. If you're a type of person who's more productive on a fixed schedule and it's not really a problem for you to go online at a certain time, then go ahead and work on a fixed time. But if your time is unpredictable, especially for those busy moms, it's advisable to get projects that doesn't require you to go online on a fixed time. And yes, this is possible. Did you find this video helpful? Then smash the like button. In the comment section below, share with me which working time is best for you. I would love to see them. And also check out the videos that I will be sharing here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.